Isaiah 29:13, nag-complain si Lord sa mga worshipers. Bakit? Kasi pag nag-worship, half-hearted, wala sa puso. Hypocritical ang worship. God's heart is not touched by tradition and worship, but by passion and commitment. Mas gusto ni Lord na nag-worship tayo na may pagmamahal at nananatili sa Kanya anuman ang mangyari sa ating buhay. Manalo, matalo, magtagumpay o hindi, may sakit, wala, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, ano pa, for poorer or for richer,